Hi there, and welcome to this video on how to make money with print on demand on Redbubble. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. Print on demand is a great way to sell your designs and products online, and Redbubble is a popular platform that makes it easy to get started. In this video, we'll go over the basics of print on demand, how Redbubble works, and some tips on how to make the most of the platform. Let's get started. First, let's talk about print on demand. This is a business model where you create designs and upload them to a platform, and the platform handles the production, fulfillment, and shipping of the products to customers. You don't have to worry about inventory, storage, or any of the other headaches that come with traditional e-commerce. Now, onto Redbubble. This platform allows you to sell a wide range of products with your designs, including t-shirts, phone cases, tote bags, and more. It's easy to set up an account and start uploading your designs. How to create an account on Redbubble. To get started, open your web browser and on the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a button that says Sign Up. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to either sign up with your email address or through one of your social media accounts. Choose whichever option you prefer and click on it. If you choose to sign up with your email address, you'll be asked to enter your name, email, and password. Make sure to use a strong and secure password. Once you've entered all your information, click on the Create Account button. If you've chosen to sign up through a social media account, you'll be asked to log in with your account credentials. Once you've successfully created an account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you'll be able to upload your artwork, set up your shop, and start selling your products. That's it. You're now ready to start creating and selling your artwork on Redbubble. Don't forget to customize your shop and make it your own. Next, how do you make money with Redbubble? It's simple. You set your own prices for your products, and Redbubble takes a percentage of each sale as their cut. You can also earn money through the Redbubble affiliate program, which pays you a commission for every sale that you refer to the site. Now, let's go over some tips on how to make the most of Redbubble. Create high-quality designs. This may seem obvious, but it's important to make sure that your designs are well-made and visually appealing. This will help you stand out from the competition and increase your chances of making sales. Use keywords in your product titles and descriptions. This will help your products show up in search results and make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Utilize the Redbubble blog and social media channels to promote your products. Redbubble has a large following, and by sharing your products on their blog or social media channels, you can reach a wider audience and potentially make more sales. Experiment with different product categories and designs. Redbubble has a wide range of products available, so try selling your designs on different products and see which ones perform the best. Engage with your customers. This can be as simple as responding to comments and messages, or as involved as running a social media contest or giveaway. By building a relationship with your customers, you can create a loyal following and drive more sales. Well, that's it for this video on how to make money with print on demand on Redbubble. We hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Happy selling!